John Moss. 3 forward for Arsenal on the break here. Does he keep the ball in play? Yes, he does. Bellerin's got his arms all over the pitch here. The ball is in play, but that surely has to be a penalty. It's not been a bad performance from an Arsenal player. Wilshere. Back in for Giroud here. It's 4. Well, that does wrap it up. 3-0 at Villa Park. 5-0 at Arsenal's Emirates Stadium, and 4-0 now here at Wembley. And what a clever flick. He's done this so often in his Arsenal career, making the run towards the near post. This time he doesn't have to run past defenders because they're too high. The ball actually comes back on the cross. He's at the far post and go to sleep. This clever play here. He's not